Nissan, a legacy of innovation, sustainability, and global mobility. Nissan Motor Company, Limited, headquartered in Yokohama, Japan, is a global automotive manufacturer renowned for its history of innovation, commitment to sustainability, and contribution to the worldwide automotive industry. Founded in 1933, Nissan has evolved from a domestic automaker into one of the world's largest and most influential automotive corporations. This comprehensive essay explores the diverse aspects of Nissan, including its history, corporate structure, key brands, technological advancements, sustainability initiatives, global impact, and future prospects. Founding in early years. Nissan's origins can be traced back to the establishment of Jidosha Seizo Company, Limited, in 1933. The company later adopted the name Nissan, derived from Nihon Sangyo, or Japan Industries, in 1934. Post-war recovery and expansion. After World War II, Nissan focused on rebuilding and expanding its operations, becoming a prominent player in the Japanese automotive market. In the latter half of the 20th century, Nissan embarked on a global expansion strategy, establishing a presence in North America, Europe, and other key regions, which significantly contributed to its global stature. Corporate structure and key brands. Nissan operates with a comprehensive corporate structure, including several subsidiaries and divisions. The Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi alliance plays a pivotal role in the company's global operations. Key automotive brands. Nissan's brand portfolio includes Nissan, Infiniti, and Datsun, each catering to specific market segments and demographics. Infiniti, Nissan's luxury division, was established in 1989 to compete with premium European automakers. Technological advancements. Automotive innovations. Nissan has a history of pioneering automotive innovations, including the development of the Nissan LEAF, one of the world's first mass-produced electric vehicles, EVs. Electric and hybrid technology. The company is actively investing in electric and hybrid technologies, with models like the Nissan Ariya and the Nissan e-Power series contributing to its commitment to sustainability and reducing carbon emissions. Autonomous driving and connectivity. Nissan is actively researching and developing autonomous driving systems and integrating advanced connectivity features into its vehicles to enhance safety and convenience. The ProPilot Assist system exemplifies Nissan's dedication to autonomous driving technology. Sustainability initiatives. Environmental commitment. Nissan has set ambitious environmental goals, including a commitment to achieving carbon neutrality throughout its global operations by 2050. Electric vehicle investment. The company is investing heavily in electric vehicle development, with plans to launch numerous electric models across its brands in the coming years. Nissan's commitment to sustainability is evident in initiatives like recycling and battery reuse. Social responsibility. Nissan Motor Company engages in various social responsibility initiatives, including support for education, healthcare, and disaster relief efforts. The Nissan Foundation, for instance, focuses on promoting diversity and inclusion in communities. Global manufacturing and sales. Nissan operates in over 100 countries, with manufacturing facilities, research and development centers, and a vast network of dealerships worldwide. The company's global presence has contributed significantly to the global automotive market. Nissan has a significant economic impact, providing employment opportunities, supporting local economies, and contributing to technological advancement in regions where it operates. Nissan's manufacturing facilities in the United States, for example, have played a crucial role in job creation and economic development. Social responsibility. Nissan Motor Company places a strong emphasis on social responsibility, actively participating in disaster relief efforts, promoting diversity and inclusion, and fostering community engagement. The Nissan Green program demonstrates the company's commitment to sustainable business practices. Electrification and autonomous driving. Nissan is committed to advancing electrification and autonomous driving technology, with plans to expand its lineup of electric and autonomous vehicles in the coming years. The Nissan Ariya, an all-electric SUV, exemplifies the company's dedication to sustainable and autonomous mobility. Mobility services and connectivity. The company is exploring mobility as a service (MaaS) concepts and investing in connected vehicle technologies to adapt to changing consumer preferences and enhance the driving experience. Nissan's commitment to innovation positions it for continued success and leadership in the automotive and mobility industries. The Nissan Research Center and collaborations with technology companies demonstrate the company's dedication to staying at the forefront of technological advancements. In conclusion, Nissan Motor Company, Limited's remarkable journey from its origins to its current status as a global automotive powerhouse reflects its unwavering commitment to innovation, quality, sustainability, and social responsibility. With a rich history, a strong brand portfolio, groundbreaking technologies, and a global impact, Nissan is well positioned to continue shaping the future of the automotive and mobility industries. Through its dedication to customer satisfaction, engineering excellence, and responsible corporate practices, Nissan Motor Company, Limited, remains a trusted and influential force in the automotive world, poised for continued growth and innovation in the years to come.